Hi everyone, my name is Ty, and over the past several months, I've been completing my internship as a part of my data analytics program. During this internship, I've had the opportunity to work on a large scale project that bridges data management, workflow automation, and client focused analytics. It's been a hands on experience that really allowed me to connect what I've learned in the classroom to how data is used in the real business environment. Throughout this term, I learned more than just technical skills. I learned how all the pieces of the data system fits together in a live production setting. From a technical side, I spent a lot of time troubleshooting and optimizing queries. Some of these were system-owned queries that didn't even have direct table preferences. So I had to figure out where the data was actually coming from and how relationships were being built behind the scenes. I also worked through issues where data displayed in our user interface didn't match the database result, which taught me the importance of validating assumptions and understanding data lineage. Another big part of my work involved refining workflows, such as equitization and benchmark imports, where I analyze how data move between systems, ensure accuracy, and help improve efficiency. Along the way, I learned how to document my work more clearly and communicate progress with both technical teammates and business users. This experience directly tied to what I've been studying in both my data science tools and Intro to SQL for data analytics courses. For example, the process of collecting, cleaning, and transforming data to make it meaningful for decision making is something I practice almost daily. Designing and querying database, which was a big focus of my SQL course, came into play constantly as I worked to understand complex joins, optimize performance, and identify missing relationship between tables. Beyond that, I also got hands-on experience interpreting data using analyticals methods, and I learned how to apply those insights to real workflows that impact the client's operations. In class, I learned a lot of theory and structured problem-solving techniques, but in my internship, I saw how those skills actually function in an enterprise environment. For example, in my coursework, datasets were usually clean and well organized. In the real world, I found that the data can be incomplete, duplicate, or even contradictory between systems. That's where the data cleaning and transformation skills I developed in class became truly valuable. I also found that SQL and querying techniques I practiced in class helped me navigate through much larger and more complex database of work. I learned how to trace dependencies, manage migration between environments, and verify that changes didn't affect production integrity. And beyond the technical connection, I found that communicating insights clearly, one of the core outcome of both classes, is equally important. Whether it was updating consultants, presenting findings to the client's team, or explaining why a dataset wasn't behaving as expected, I learned to tailor my message depending on the audience. That's something I might not have fully appreciated without seeing it in action during this internship. Looking ahead, this internship has given me a clearer sense of how I want to grow my career. I really enjoy working at the intersection of data, technologies, and business, where I can use analytics to solve real problems and improve processes. I plan to continue developing my SQL and data engineering skills, focusing on how design scalable and reliable systems that can adapt to changing requirements. I've also learned the value of proactive data validations, not waiting until an issue appears, but building quality checks and verification steps early in the workflow. That's a habit I will carry into my any future projects with me. On a broader level, this experience has strengthened my soft skills as well. I've learned how to collaborate across the team, manage competing priorities, and stay adaptable when project timeline shifts. Working directly with consultants, developers, and clients showed me how important professional communication and time management are, especially in a fast-paced environment. Ultimately, this internship helped me bridge the gap between what I've learned academically and how data-driven decisions are made in the real world. It's given me confidence that the skills I'm learning, both technical and professional, are directly applicable to the kind of work that I want to continue doing. In summary, this internship has been an incredible opportunity to apply what I've learned in my data science tool and intro to SQL and data analytics courses to real world problems. I've strengthened my technical foundation in data collection, transformation, and querying, while also developing a deeper understanding of my teamwork, communication, and adaptability. I now see myself not just as someone who works with data, but as someone who help organizations make better decisions through technology and insights. Thank you for watching, and I'm grateful for the experience and the growth in this internship has provided me, both as a data professional and as a learner continuing to evolve in this field. Thank you.